1 o'clock. I'm a little bit late. Hopefully I get this done in time, but I don't think it'll be a long job. I think it'll probably take me about an hour to change the fuel pump. So here we go. This is what we're gonna have to do. Is we're gonna have to remove the rear seat, and right over here there's a little clip, if I'm not mistaken, that we tug on. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little clip over there, and we pull that and it picks the seat up. We'll do the same on the other side. So the other side's been lifted, this side closed because I sat on it, and then up she goes. So now what we have to do is we have to take this out of the car and put this back into the office, so we got space to work.
There. Nasty looking fellow, isn't he? Wait a minute. I've seen him somewhere before.
Savagely attack. Savagely attack. Savagely attack.
I'm sickly, flow quarantined by the CDC. Heads nod, pressure on your neck like a.
There you go. I pulled out the wrong fuel pump. This is not the fuel pump. This is, in actual fact, the fuel level.
EDT, Beach Street, Ramo, spitting on your name. Rhymes travel underground like it's written on the train. My position in the game, top dog, rock hard. Fuck with everybody in your hood, just not y'all basic. Live broadcast from the ER. We are talk of the town without the PR. Savagely attacked us, rap master craftsman. Pack 'em in, twisting on the floor like a backspin. After him, y'all have to deal with the sun and deck. One of the best.
You know, this is gonna be tricky because how do you get this fucking wires out? Oh my god, why would you invent something so shit? I was just saying, I was just thanking the fucking Japanese people for being so smart. Oh, they went and they done this shit. So we're back at it again. Today's a new day. Yesterday was quite disappointing. We couldn't get the fuel pump in. Let's give it a bash today. Let's see what happens. I'm sure we're going to come right. I'm going to put the car on the lift right now, and we're going to drop the tank. See if we don't have to drop the whole tank, but it's still got somewhat over quarter tank. So let's see if we don't have to drop the whole tank. We can just drop it down and remove the fuel pump, put the new fuel pump in, and this is what I have to put up with all the way to work. So arrived at the shop, and it's time to put on the lift and take out the fuel tank. Good morning, Temba.
Good morning.
How are you?
Yeah.
Hello, Pappuccino. Hello, Pappuccino.
They hasn't done it yet, Killer B, chopping up the track like a Dilla B. Professor X couldn't test my ability.
What we're gonna use is, we got this here. So we've got high pressure fuel hose. We're gonna cut it off right over there, right over there. And we're gonna join the two clamps, join the two clamps. There's gonna be easy removal of the pump, as well as easy fitment of putting the pump back in. And it's a simple task. We don't have to drop a fuel pump. We don't have to drop a fuel tank. So let's get cracking.
I caved the motherfucking roof like heavy snow. Act like I told you before, y'all already know.
Savagely attack. Savagely attack. Savagely attack. Savagely attack.
Now, attack is made.
Hey yo, ES reps. I wrote this in a GS Flex 95 to get that 90s vibe, my melody. High low fidelity darts. My whole team 730 like when Jeopardy starts. I can't call it unless we call my style diabolic. I'm a writer-holic. I drink ink till I vomit. I think till I'm catatonic. Cause a bag of chronic. I'm bringing the mad demonic style. All these rappers wanted. I'm the czar of bizarre bars. Cut you like a scimitar. Wichita State X-Man. I execute you. You a dead man. God willing, I'm a not villain. Getting top billing with my squad chilling. Blood on the tracks like Bob Dylan. Die like.
Okay, what are you doing? You're taking that return?
Turn off, yeah, so it comes off. You just wiggle it off. It's got an O-rubber in there, you can't lose it.
Okay.
O-ring. See, so there's the O-ring.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
Just pull the O-ring out. So all we're going to do is, if you take a look inside there,
We're going to drill it right through.
well, there, we're going to drill it slightly bigger. so I can breathe better, that's all.
A mob killing, we already know the ropes. We be stepping over ropes. Andre the Giant looking down at you local folks. Okie doke, motorized vocals, yeah, in practice. Raised on a tape the same color as Galactus.
Savagely attack. Savagely attack. Savagely attack. Savagely attack.
So, Mr. We meet again, eh?
Yeah.
Savagely attack.
Yo, look out. Attack like a nigga on bath salts. Eat his face off, leave his body on asphalt. Rampant, run through your town on attack mode. Savagely leaving broomstick in the asshole. Cobra clutch the ickiest, stick to the dust skin. Throw a mask on and go in. I'm a terror, tuck a gym star, a new era. Walk around with two bats like I'm Yogi Berra. Or Murph from Sin City, rock and roll as a trench. My true weapon's black, I have you ducking under the bench. The stench of dead bodies, thoughts of mutilation bring you closer to God in a tight situation. Or thrown in the back of the truck as sanitation. I'm ruthless, my technique is Chinese torture. No RVs hanging out of your vein to support you. Everybody's talking about how the ghost court you. Have a 5-year-old kill your ass for a quarter.
At Tony Stark's office.
So, primed it once, switch it off, put it in ignition again. Can't hear anything. Let's try again. I hear it. No fuel leaks. No fuel leaks. Sounds like it's working. I hear the pump. Pump is working. Car started. And there you go. High pressure fuel pump. Done and dusted. Time to close it up, put the seat back in, chop the wires away, and our job here is done.
There is a new development.
Iron Man, red alert,
Since we did the fuel pump, we also took the wheels off, so the car's on the lift. I took the wheels off, doing something a little special to those. Oh, those bad boys. The original T37. So we put some fresh ass stickers on them. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, we have landed in Houston. No, we have not. We have landed on the moon. No, we have not either. But what we have done is we have completely installed the new Quantum 340 in-tank pump, and as you can see, I'm driving. Yes, I'm holding the camera in my hand, but I'm driving. So I'm just giving it a little cruise around, just so that the ECU knows the fuel pressures that are going. Maybe if it does know, maybe if it needs to adjust the injectors, maybe if it needs to adjust the injectors dead time. I don't know fully on how all of that stuff works, but I'm giving it a little while. The car seems to idle fine, seems to drive the same. I highly doubt there's going to be a horsepower increase just because of fuel pump. That would be ridiculous. It would be fantastic, but it would be ridiculous. So I'm going to do a short pull sometime soon, and I also got a new look for the car. Yeah, that's it. It's pulling nice and strong. Seems quite happy. The fuel pump didn't need much priming. I primed it 2 or 3 times, as you saw in the video. I blipped it and it started. So I'm just going to do a little first gear, second gear, as many gears as I possibly can through the rev range, and compare it to the last time. This is just fuel pump. Okay, we are approaching some traffic lights, and I don't want to be exceeding the speed limit by that much. So anyways, that's how it pulls with the fuel pump in. Everything seems fine. I don't think it's running lean. I think it's actually running a little bit rich. Tomorrow's D-Day for the car and Tune and Sean, and my little dog wants to get involved in the action. What's up, Marley? Hey girl, what's up? Yeah, okay.